Hello everybody. This video is supposed to be about making Ellen Pankey's famous apple cake, but something happened to the chandelier in the kitchen. So what do you do when life gives you lemons? You make lemonade. So to make this cake, you need 2 eggs, 2 heaping teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of oil, 6 medium Gala, Fuji, or Honeycrisp apples, 1½ cups of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 cups of flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, mix the eggs, sugar, cinnamon, and oil. Peel and slice the apples and add to the mixture in the bowl, coating as you go to keep the apples from turning brown. Mix together the baking powder and flour and add to wet ingredients in the bowl. Mix well, it's best with a fork, until all of the flour is absorbed by the wet ingredients. Pour the mixture into a greased pan and bake for 1 hour. As you see, I like domino sugar.